Welcome to the Ask Charlie beauty salon. Coco is kindly going to be my model for today's how-to. So I asked on my Instagram stories if you'd like to see how we do heatless waves. Look, this one always wants to be in the limelight. You know, don't you, the moment I start filming and talking to my phone that there's something exciting going on, Florence. Anyhow. I asked on my Instagram stories if you would like me to show you how I do Coco's hair with heatless waves. So because Coco is only 13, I don't want her over styling her hair and using, lots of products and lots of things and lots of heat in particular. So heatless waves is perfect for that, isn't it, darling? Now Coco's actually painting her nails, so if she's looking down, it's a real full-on beauty sesh here. Now I have just ordered this new set. I haven't even opened it yet. I don't even know how to open it. Hang on. Like that, because Florence actually chewed one of the clips that was left on the floor, and we lost one of the silk scrunchies, so I thought we would treat ourselves to a new set. So you get this, couple of scrunchies and a hair clip, and it does give you in this set. This came from Amazon and I will link it down below. It does give you a little kind of tutorial of how to do it. The good thing about this one is it's actually got a zip, so you can wash it if needs be, which is quite handy. So let's pop that to one side. We've just brushed Coco's hair. Now normally when I do heatless waves, she has just freshly washed her hair, but she actually washed it last night and we didn't do heatless waves. We don't do it that often, do we, darling? So if it's not freshly washed, you can use some water just in a spray bottle, just to give it a little dampness. And I say little because you want the hair to be like 98% dry. As you can see, Coco has got the most wonderful mane of hair, which is just fabulous for me as a mummy to get to play with it. Got something in there. So start with it at the top, like so, and use your clip to clip it in place like that. Make a parting, a centre parting down the middle of the hair. Take one lot to one side, and I'm just going to see what they say to say. What they say to do is what I meant to say. It's been quite a long day. Take 1 to 2 inch sections of hair at a time and wrap it round the curler away from your face, starting at the top. Okay. Which is kind of what we do. So I just take sections like that and I go away, and I just wind it down the roller. The previous one we had of this actually got indented where we had used it, and so I think it was a bit tired. So just wrap the hair, and you do need 2 hands for this job. You can see Coco's got lovely long thick hair, and just twizzle it round. Now if you don't want to go to the expense of buying one of these, you can do it yourself with something like a dressing gown cord. Would work really well as well, so that is another option. And just wrapping it around. I tend not to take the hair all the way down. I just, well, not the front parts. And I think you get like a tighter curl this way. But it's a little bit of experimenting, it's trial and error. But actually the curls hold really well for you, don't they? They last days. I think very good, darling. Our model here. You're having problems with your nails?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Do you need me to do them? I can do them later. So now I've just got the last section of hair from this side on the back. Oh, don't move your head. That's a crucial moment, darling. And just twizzle that around. And then using one of the silk scrunchies, just secure that at the end, like so. Then I get Coco to hold that twisted like so, twisted quite firmly, and then I go on to do exactly the same with this side. So taking a little section from the front and going over the top and round like so. You can't see me, you have to perch there. It's really cold this evening. I got cold earlier, so I've got my gilet on inside. We need to light the fire, don't we? Side's out this evening, otherwise we would have the fire lit, but I haven't done that. And the washing machine is beeping. This bit's a little bit static. And then this is the last section on this side, our final piece of hair. And I do find you need to hold it quite firmly. And it is really important as well that the hair is nicely brushed and not knotty. That makes a big difference. So then with that twisted like that, I don't think the Heatless ways say you to do this, but I gather the two ends twisted firmly, and then I just put, in fact, Diane, can you turn round? Just swizzle. Good girl, thank you. I put another elastic to hold these ends together. And I think that makes a big difference. Thank you, darling, for being our model. And you sleep in it, don't you? So you can take this clip out now. That can go. You sleep in it, and then in the morning, Coco just takes her hair out. We'll show you in the morning when you're ready for school. So Coco's actually got a poetry recital at school tomorrow and has to put on a dress and look pretty, don't you? So she said, Mama, would you do my hair? And I said, yes, if you let me film it for our Heatless Waves hair tutorial. So that's what we've done. So we will be back with you in the morning to show you the reveal. Thank you, my darling. You're very, very patient. And now we're going to do your nails now. What? Are we going white? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going white on the nails. I don't know if you can hear, but there's somebody snoring. Is it Lola or is it somebody by the Arga? One of the dogs that's snoring is very sweet. It's quite nice that they're all peaceful. Florence is actually asleep too. Phew. She's finally worn out. Good morning. Coco has just woken up and her hair is looking like this. So I'm just going to unravel it. You like doing this bit, don't you, really? Do you want to pull the sausage out? Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Gus? You going to brush your teeth? It's all happening here this morning. School mornings can always be a little bit hectic. Right. There we are. Heatless waves. Oh, they look pretty good, darling. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of hairspray just to help them stay in. Put your hand over your eyes. So I didn't use any products in Coco's hair at all, just she washed it the day before. So a little tiny bit of hairspray. And she's good to go. Give me a smile for us. There, wonderful, wonderful hair. And you need to have your breakfast, brush your teeth and head off to school. But I hope that you found that little hair tutorial good. And I think, you know, that it's a good thing about Heatless Waves is we're not using any products, any heat, any, you know, it's not going to damage hair in any way, which is absolutely excellent. Anyway, thank you, my darling. And I hope that you enjoyed watching that.